7 a.m. Stretching our legs a little bit. Get some more gas. Coffee break. See you.
Did you see this?
We're almost halfway there.
Welcome to Ohio.
Made in Ohio, baby.
The windshield is disgusting. Tired and hungry. The amount of tolls and pay-by plates and things we have gone through.
It's taking a toll on me.
Oh. Oh. I just got a video of this guy getting pulled over.
Loser.
Get him.
You just fucking saw that.
What?
I just saw a fucking rat right now.
See it?
What was that?
A rat?
Chipmunk?
That was a rat.
It was a chipmunk.
God. Making friends with the pigeon. That's me. I love that one. Oh.
You gotta face this.
Not for me, but she and everybody. Come on.
Hey, now.
Whoa. Right.
Yo. Just a supple amount of rim. Oh, today's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
What the fuck just happened? We woke up at 8. It was so. It was still good, but it was chilly. Whoa.
That's, look, you can walk down there.
That's beautiful.
You're beautiful. It's true. So we were just up there.
Now we're down here.
Now we're down here. Here, Pier.
Oh, I can't wait. Look at this. Look at this guy. This is Harry David. Yeah.
You're in the ocean.
I'm drowning. It's the best fucking time I've ever had in Chicago. We're there, right now. Not like riding on a rainbow unicorn, baby.
We're in the Windy City. We're on a boat tour.
Yo, time management is on point.
Management. We literally, I didn't think we were gonna get a seat because there were so many people in line.
You know, in the city, you never know what you're gonna get. I've never seen that before. City. Wrigley was known for today chewing gum, but how he started, he sold soap and baking soda. So you see the Roman columns at the top. Look at that temple at the very top. And you seen the Netflix series The Ozark? What? Now look at this building. I call it the French fry building. Look, I put in those things so they're in litigation because people who bought. All right, stand up. Get some pictures here. Yeah. This was supposed to be the home of the tallest building in the world. Apartments. This building's 1,362 feet tall. It's no right angles in nature. So how this building was built, it's built in the middle, the elevator first. You go up the elevator, enter your apartment, and it's very narrow. As you go in, it widens. Very interesting, this building. This is the most, 26,000 people go up there every day. I think the glass only breaks every 5 years, so we got 2 more years to go. Just kidding, you're safe.
Probably the most bougie.
I need some ice cream in my life. So when they ask you if you want whipped cream and you say no, and they end up filling it all the way to the dome with ice cream, we love that. Last year, DunderCon, or the office reunion, they changed the name, was in New Jersey. We went there, and this year the office reunion is in Chicago, and we are on our way. We made it. Been here for like 5 minutes, and we saw Paul, cool guy Paul.
Manager.
Suck it. We just ran into Bob and Coffee. Bob Vance Refrigeration, of course. My painting. Okay, great. Can we take one picture with these and one without? Thank you so much. What is he telling me no?
This is good hay. Yeah.
This year it's in New York, and we're here for it.
Chicago.
Oh, what did I say?
New York.
This year it's in Chicago.